Happy holidays. Good to see you. My kitchen smells amazing. And do you want to know why? Well, actually, it always smells amazing. But that's besides the point. Today is for a particular reason. Because today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious baked pears. And it's actually really quick and easy to make. So let's get started. As usual, the first thing you want to do when using the oven is preheat it. This time, however, you're going to preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next thing you want to do is to slice your pears. 4 pears. I'm using Bosc. You can also use a couple of others. I'll leave them in the bottom right here so you can read them as I'm doing this. So you're just gonna slice the pears in half, and then you're going to scoop out the middle where the seeds are. I use the measuring spoon, but you can also use a regular spoon or even one of those like apple corers. You can use that as well. I've got my tray here for my pears. Got my parchment paper because I don't feel like cleaning up. And we're just gonna add them in. They are bottom heavy, so you shouldn't have much problem with them sitting up properly. Okay, that's done, set that aside. Now we're gonna move on to what's going on top. You're going to add in half a cup of maple syrup. That's about 120 to 130 milliliters. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And finally, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using paste for this one, but go ahead and use the extract if you have it. Take a fork or a whisk and whisk this all up real nice like. Cool, that's done. And we're just gonna drizzle this all over our pears. Be generous. Okay, I didn't use all of it, but I will save the rest for after. These are gonna go into the oven, like I said, at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Ooh. The perfect end to a fantastic dinner. And as usual, I totally hope you'll give this a try. And if you're looking for other holiday recipes, be sure to click on the link below because you will find all of my Christmas recipes there. And naturally, if there's other stuff you're looking for, you can find a plethora of videos on the channel, and I'm sure you will totally find one that suits you. But before I go, make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this sweet little recipe. All right, people, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.